What's up guys, it's JD and this is Formula One, where I talk about the projects I have going on at the moment. And if you watched my previous videos, you know I have a 1986 Nissan 300ZX. I'm working on it right now. It's a dope little car I found on Copart and accidentally bought it for $100 when I bid on it just to hold the car for me to view later on. Long story short, I got it for a grand total of around $280 to my front door. It was a clear title till it was registered wrong by the guy who sold it to me, so I decided to make it a project and modify it. It's going to be a future classic for sure. Now after trying to get it going, I found out that it had gremlins under the hood. The wiring's plastic coating had fallen off, leaving exposed wires at the gas tank. It would crank, but it wouldn't start till I fed it gas with a plastic bottle. Safe, right? Now I'm not a mechanic, and I wanted this car to be safe to drive and run before I spent any money on the body. This is where I'm stuck. The mechanic I wanted to use is behind on work and can't have my car just sit at his shop. I mean, it does need to have it wiring replaced, which I did purchase from eBay. And the body shop I was going to park my car at so I can start the body work is also behind. They can't have me either. And you guessed it, the body shop doesn't want my car in there until it runs. You can say money makes the dog dance, but I don't have too much money to throw at this problem to fix it. Because like most car guys, the car they're working on needs a brother or sister to play with. And I bought a 1990 Jeep Wrangler as an in-between project, while I got my 300ZX situation sorted out. I thought I'll just make one solid video during quarantine and my channel will keep on going. Perfect plan. Not quite. I made a list of upgrades I could make to the Jeep and placed the order. I didn't take into consideration that the pandemic would make deliveries a nightmare. Every last part was delayed and some parts never came. The main thing I was looking forward to was the front bumper, and it ended up being the last part that came in. I replaced the ugly sun-beaten fender flares with something a little more style I was going for and polished the paint. These little plastic clips and the screws. This back one is held on by the same angle emitter screws, but there's an inner liner that you kind of have to get out of the way and stick your hand in there, and it'll hurt you the whole time, but you don't have to take it off. And it's probably easy to take off, but I didn't feel like taking it off, so I was able to do it without taking it off, but that's it. The Jeep was used as intended in a previous life and served as a hunting vehicle. The paint had scratches and swirls everywhere. It didn't turn out perfect, but looked pretty good after. I redid the zip-up windows with brand new replacement parts because they were looking real tired. It was pretty easy to do and just required me to cut off the old ones because they were sewn on. The new ones came with pretty strong Velcro that made the job easier and saved me some money by not having to reupholster them. The top was color matched to the body. I had asked the body shop to let me know when they were going to work on it so I can get some footage of it in the process, but they took so long to work on it. When I called to check on it, they rushed and got it done at the end without even telling me. They left a texture on it, which was something I told them specifically not to do, and they forgot. Seeing as they were going to repaint it for me to smooth it out, I thought I'd get at least that footage. Nope. I ended up just leaving it. I thought I just cut my losses there. The interior had a refresh on it. I did a DIY leather steering wheel wrap, which I started as a test. I ended up finishing it, and it looked pretty good, so I just left it. I thought I lost that footage. I should have shot that, but I thought it was going to be temporary. I added carpet and painted all the plastics. It ended up looking a lot better than I imagined. I had a few other parts put on when a friend of mine bought some parts for his Jeep that ended up not fitting, so we added them to the Jeep, including an LED bar and side rock body protection plates for rock crawling. Even though I wasn't really going to crawl, it looked pretty good. It turned out pretty nice for being a budget build, and you're probably wondering where the front bumper is. Well, it came in and it was the wrong one. The Jeep was a few months in the making and ended up being kind of a beautiful disaster. hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm hoping to start back up on the 300ZX soon, so I'll see you then. Thank you.